welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's Halloween, and I just wanted to show off her fidgets, like that's why it's so girly. I have my costume on, she does too. Come on, Scarlett, show your fidgets. That's one more thing, this is mine. It's just a cat.
So I'll get to my thing.
There's Scarlett, show
Why
your
is
fidgets.
this in my pile?
Just go right here. Right here.
Okay, first fidgets. I have a ton of fidgets.
Third time on YouTube, sorry. I'll just leave you here.
No, you're coming in here. You're staying.
Fine, I'll just stay behind you.
Destroying my costume. Okay, so...
And also, I'm the rake, she's a witch.
Stop interrupting me. Okay, stop interrupting me now.
Alright.
So...
Wasn't doing anything.
It's like, it sounds like wind. And it's very squishy.
I'm not doing anything.
Today we got Nitos, and let me get my Nito.
You're slinky, Scarlett.
Oh, what about you? Sorry.
Sorry about that.
And I have this. Let me buy first.
No, it's not. It's your third time.
Oh, yeah. Why am I so weird?
Come on, just...
No. Okay. So, this is my cat Nito. That's his purple one. We got it at Spirit Halloween today when we were going to get our costumes. And next, I still have like a lot more to go.
Okay,
and
I'm sorry for doing all you.
Did you know that Squishmallows are actually fidgets?
Yeah.
Ow! So I have
Scarlett.
this very long sneak.
I can grab mine, I guess. Whatever.
Go grab your Squishmallow right now.
Okay, fine.
Both of them.
Oh.
Let me go get all my Squishmallows.
One.
No, you have that one and then the green one too. Oh yeah, that. I'm not. I'm getting my Squishmallows. I have a ton.
Sorry about that.
Just interview your Squishmallows.
Okay, yeah, this is mine. Easter. This recently. I like it.
Oh God. I'm trying to steal that from him.
Okay, Friday, get this out of here.
I can't find the rest. I have about 2 more.
Okay, Scarlett, just start showing your fidgets first and then your Squishmallows.
Okay.
I've set these behind the camera.
I only found about 3 Squishmallows. So we're done interviewing. Hey, y'all.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You can play with that for now. I got this last year.
Sorry.
It's a pop. It hurts.
Okay, that seems sus.
Sussy Baka. So, it's just in little Hello Kitty shape. There was others, but I really liked the Hello Kitty. I was still sick.
Oh, hey, Toast! You're in here.
Oh, you're mine next. She's my kitty for Halloween.
Yeah, totally.
No, just take this bad
Okay,
kitty.
I'll take her.
Take this bad kitty. Okay, next thing. We're almost done here, folks. We have in square puppet.
Cats. They're nice.
We have in part puppet.
I don't think she likes me, though.
Oh, it's okay, baby. It's okay.
Okay, but I'm just gonna leave these seem so wild.
Okay, next thing. I don't know why this is in my pile.
I said go.
But she wants to stay in here.
She.
It's okay. It's okay. She likes my carpet. I don't know why.
Okay.
She likes carpet. I don't
Just
know why.
get onto it.
I don't know why this is.
This video's like 4 minutes long. Sorry, it's hard to see in this. Oh my God, Scarlett. That's not a fidget.
Toast! Toast! Get this kitty out
Sorry.
of my pile!
I'm so sorry. Hold on.
Don't pause it. Go and get the kitty and I'll do the fidget.
Okay.
So, this broken fidget spinner. It's not broken. But it's...
I'm sorry, Toast. Just...
You gotta
You
go,
have to
girl.
go.
Like... It's at the store. So, I have this fidget spinner. And I kind of stole it from you. Well, you gave it to me.
I gave it to you.
Why is this in my pile? It's like a little skeleton. It is kind of like a fidget. Okay, there's just random things.
Okay.
Okay, next thing.
Nope.
Turn off the lights.
Oh my god. Oh, the light switch right here.
It should glow up. Wait.
Okay, why do they actually kind of look scary?
Wait.
Okay, sorry, this was just the back of a black screen. Plus I could barely see. Ow.
Hey, what you doing, good? It's like a little light up ball.
Okay, now Scott, you want to show off your
I'm not
costume?
done yet. I have 3 more, and on the end we'll show off our costume. This
Whoa.
big, not that big, jumbo.
Is there a cat literally?
It's like a medium
Yeah, it's medium size.
puppet.
Pop.
On the camera, it looks so tiny. Anyways, 2 more things.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Sorry, I have messy hair day.
Wow, cool. What a nice scream. Ah.
Messy hair day. Sorry, folks. I have this
Okay.
jellyfish, I think. No, octopus. Octopus.
Jellyfish. It's an octopus
Pink.
poppet.
Octopus puppet.
Can't remember what they're called. That's just like an octopus
It is
poppet.
an octopus.
If it has a name.
It's octopus.
Sorry. Yeah.
It is octopus. That is the name. Our last
Ow.
thing, and then our squishmallows, and then we'll do our costume reviewing.
My finger.
Okay, come on. So I have my other puppet bag. Come on.
Okay, I'm sorry.
And time for our squishmallows. I have this jumbo pink house with the heart.
Oh.
And then I'm doing my fall one last. I have like 2 more, but I can't find them. So we'll do that another time. We got these at Walmart.
No?
Yeah, Walmart.
It's Kroger. Yeah.
And they were super cute. So we're like, cha-ching, we're buying them. Cha-ching. So we bought them. Last one in my pile. Oh,
Sorry, my fingers are kind of broke.
Okay,
Wait,
I have this.
We only have like 40 seconds left.
I bought this yesterday. Okay, do the costumes.
Okay.
I'm a witch in a very pretty dress. Okay, I'm a witch in a dress with boom, 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 yes. And I have this choker with a spider. And we have my hat. You can get
Okay, Scarlett, bye.